still getting boring? Generic study plans from ChatGPT? The problem isn't AI, it's your prompt. Let me show you how to fix that in under 5 minutes. Hey students, educators, and study hackers. If you're using AI to build study schedules but still feel overwhelmed or off track, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down the real secret to personalized, effective study plans, prompt formats, and why choosing the right one can make or break your results. Why prompt format matters: most people just type something like, "Make me a study plan," and then wonder why it's either too vague, too intense, or totally off. But here's the thing. AI isn't psychic. It follows your lead. The format you use, whether it's a question, statement, or task, changes how the AI thinks and what kind of plan it gives back. And yes, different subjects benefit from different formats. Let's break it down. Questions invite customization using a question like, what's the best study plan for someone who struggles with math but has 2 hours a day to study? Invites the AI to analyze your needs and suggest something flexible. Great for when you're unsure what you need or want options to choose from. Pro, opens up suggestions, often creative and customized. Con, maybe too broad or need follow-up prompts. Use this for subjects you find difficult, like math or chemistry, where you need more guidance. Statements, set the direction. A statement like, create a 5-day revision schedule for high school history, focused on major world wars. Gives the AI clear boundaries to follow. Pro, more focused, less back and forth. Con, can feel rigid if not detailed enough. Perfect for content-heavy subjects like history or biology where you know the topics, but want structure. Tasks, get straight to the point. This format is all about action. Try, list 6 weekly Spanish study activities for a beginner preparing for a language exam. You're telling the AI exactly what to do, and it delivers efficiently. Pro, fast, organized results. Con, can feel mechanical if you don't add tone or context. Ideal for language learning or exam prep, when time and consistency matter. How to combine formats? Want the ultimate prompt? Mix formats. Try this. Give me a 2-week English literature study plan. Task, based on Gothic novels. Statement, what would be the best way to stay motivated daily? Question, you're giving the AI structure and space to be creative. That's the sweet spot. Common mistake: stop saying, give me a study plan. Too vague. Make it perfect, fun, short, deep, and for 3 subjects. That's overload. Instead, focus on one goal per prompt and build from there. If this helped you level up your AI prompts, don't forget to like this video, save it for your next study session, comment which format you're trying first, share with a classmate or study buddy, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. More AI hacks drop every week. Let's make study sessions smarter, not harder.